16 trillion SHIB is a lot of Shiba Inu coin, and it's providing support right now. Of course, if that level is broken to the downside, everybody always wonders what's going to happen next. It's going to follow Bitcoin. I mean, guys, until we reach that FOMO level euphoria, until we reach that emotional retail buy-in, Shiba Inu coin is going to be following Bitcoin. If it goes up, SHIB's going up. If it goes down, SHIB's probably going to go down. And you know what? These levels of support and resistance are very important. We're going to talk about them, but they're not the end-all, be-all. I still believe that no matter what happens, unless Bitcoin somehow dies out, Shiba Inu coin is going to be thriving phenomenally. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Shiba Inu coin on the screen right now. We're going to be going over it in just a second, but I do want to say, if you guys haven't been diversifying into these tiny little meme coins like Pepe Meme, check this one out. The price action, this is pre-sale. You cannot sell it. It's not a honeypot, right? But this would be a honeypot because you couldn't sell it if it was already trading live. But this price action is insane, and people are going to be making a lot of money on launch day. 10 Solana, about $1,900 right now, gets you $8,900 on launch day. Now, clearly, you're thinking, dang, dude, if I could turn 1,900 into about 9,000, I'm going to take that, I'm going to do it, yeah, you and everybody else are thinking the exact same thing, so just be the first one to pull the trigger. That's all you have to do. Now, it is risky, right? Because clearly other people are going to go out there and do it. So I do want to say this. If you are going to be trading Pepe Meme on launch day, set your slippage high. You're not going to be the only guy clicking that button to take your profit. So set your slippage high so that, of course, if the price is moving around and it's very volatile, your order can still fill. But nonetheless, check out their website. You can see all of the live transactions. You can see the leaderboard, all of that good stuff. And you can see everything that they're building. Now, of everything that they've got going on, I'm most excited about their X account. Their X account has 538,000 followers out on their X. Guys, 500,000 followers on their X, and they haven't even launched this token yet. 113,000 impressions on this post right here. These guys are getting a lot of attention. They're getting a lot of excitement, and hopefully, if you're one of the guys that takes advantage of it, you're going to make a lot of money doing so. Now, I want to talk about Shiba Inu coin and spend the rest of the time focusing on that, because a lot of people look at it and they think, oh man, when is it going to rip? And it's very difficult to see Shiba Inu coin rip higher. The good news is we're at 2,200 points per coin right now. We're following this. Look at this. If you showed this to a kindergartner and said, show me the pattern, he's going to say it's rising right now. He's going to say it's hitting high. I don't know if he's going to say it's hitting higher highs, but the highs are higher, the lows are higher, and this direction is up and to the right, you might say. And that's still a very bullish sign. So despite the pullback over the last 2 weeks or so, Shiba Inu coin is still in a very nice bullish trend, bouncing off support with the next level of resistance coming about 3,500 points per coin. Now, you can also check it out here on BitUnix, and this is one thing that I'm very interested in right now. Bitcoin is about break even on the day today, sitting at about 0.04% lower. Let's just call it break even. Little green candle, but right there at yesterday's close. If you look at SHIB's up 3%. Pepe's up 5%. Ethereum's up 1.5%. Solana's up 3.5%. So guys, we may be witnessing, I don't know, it's too early to call, right? But we may be witnessing a little bit of a transition from Bitcoin into altcoins. Altcoin season may finally be starting. And if that's the case, I expect very big things for Shiba Inu coin, much bigger than the current price action. It says the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin is grappling with limited support below its current trading range. According to Into the Block data, the in and out of the money indicator, the next support range for Shiba Inu coin lies between 1,900 and 2,000 points per coin, where nearly 16 trillion SHIB are held by 16,000 addresses. Though significant, this cluster represents a smaller support base. While the support could offer some defense against price declines in the near term, it suggests that there may not be enough buying pressure to sustain the current price levels if selling pressure increases. I can't say that I necessarily disagree with it, but in order to justify that, you have to say if there are no new buyers or if there's no new interest in Shiba Inu coin. And I'm going to tell you guys, Some people are absolutely willing to buy SHIB if it drops down to that support level. The whales were absolutely willing to buy SHIB when it dropped down to this support level. So there is new buying interest as opposed to just the amount of Shiba Inu coin that's currently being held at these levels. And on top of that, if Bitcoin continues to perform well and people are excited about cryptocurrency, they're going to be inspired. They're going to search it. And right now they're searching which meme coins to buy now. Meme coin search volume has never been higher. And trust me when I tell you, if you search meme coins out on Google, Shiba Inu coin news articles make their way to the forefront. It is still one of the most talked about. It is still one of the most exciting. It is still one of the biggest communities in the entire cryptocurrency space. And because of that, any renewed interest is being sent towards Shiba Inu coin. It says, at the time of writing, SHIB was trading at about 2170. Now it's at 2,200 points per coin, and it's up 3% on the day instead of down, mirroring the lackluster trading action in the 2024 as 2024 draws to a close. Guys, this period right here, usually the period of Thanksgiving, the week of Thanksgiving, and then the week in between Christmas and New Year's Day is a very slow, very kind of not exciting, just subdued trading action. People are taking off. They're taking off till the end of the year, and they're coming back in January. They're going to be coming back in January. They're going to be coming back to a new administration in January. They're going to be coming back to lower interest rates throughout 2025. We're going to be coming back to so much positive action and so much good news that I can't imagine Shiba Inu coin or Bitcoin or any of these cryptocurrency prices falling. I truly believe that we may be at a bottom here in terms of recent price action. Are we at bear market lows? No, absolutely not. We can go lower in the future. But I believe that we're at a recent bottom, getting ready to rally higher, and I'm excited about it. I'm loading up on literally everything that I can get my hands on. Now, two of the places that I'm doing that, I do have a lot of decentralized wallets and stuff like that, but two of the centralized exchanges that I'm using, I actually have more on these exchanges than I do Coinbase or Crypto.com now, KSEX and BitUnix. They both have unique features. BitUnix has copy trading. You guys earn 10% of all of your followers' profits there. So if you make it to the first page, you're going to get a lot of followers. You're going to make a lot of money. 125x leverage out on BitUnix, all the way down to 1x leverage. So a little bit more lenient than the KSEX exchange, but the KSEX exchange, in my opinion, has a better selection of meme coins. These guys list all the way down to like $100,000 meme coins, so you could basically go out there and get any meme coin that you want on a centralized exchange, and you could trade not every single one of them, but a lot of them on up to 100x leverage down to 5x leverage. Make sure to check them out. Make sure to accumulate. And guys, let's make sure to make as much money as possible in this upcoming bull market. Look, I want your guys' decision to be in the next couple of months. Do you do it all again in the next bear market to bull market cycle? Or do you retire now? I want that to be your decision. It's a tough one, trust me, but I want that to be your decision. Let me know what you guys are already going to decide, because I know you already know what you're doing. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.